Hello, in this video let's talk about the waves. What are the waves? On eCNC we have a long form content creation and we have as well as short form content creation. And short form content we call waves. How to access them and how to create them on eCNC.com. First, once you logged in, you go to the decks section. Decks are like a Twitter decks style like columns where you can organize or arrange the columns into different categories or into different feeds and you can explore them. So one of the ways is to just add the waves. So waves are, like I mentioned, the short form content. And in this case, let's select, you want to, you can create different sorts of waves or feed from different projects. And in this case, let's create eCNC waves column. And on this column, now we will see all the waves created by the community members. And if you want to create new wave, all you have to do is click on an icon and you will be presented with the waves. Hello everyone. So this is a kind of a short wave where you can add the short content up to 255 characters. You can attach the image, you can add emojis, and you can also attach tags and many more. So the overall the idea is to share your thoughts and share your whatever you want to share in a short form instead of creating long blog posts. Blog posts are usually created for the longer term articles where you want to share some of your content. But in a short form, you can do daily and more often and share your thoughts, what's going on right now and what you're thinking right now. And let's publish it. Once we publish it, once it's published, the transaction is being submitted to the blockchain. And blockchain, after accepting this transaction, it will be shown on the waves column. And as you can see, the transaction went through and we can click on here to see it, or we can see here that we have a new content available in waves column. Once we click it, we can see the new content which we created just now, a few seconds ago. And waves are just like a post. It can be interactive. You can leave a content, you can edit them, you can boost them, you can copy and link share, you can delete them, and so on. So if you want to interact with others, you can just, all you have to do is just click on the reply and then you can reply to their waves. And you can also vote their waves and interact with the people much more frequently and much more easily. That's it. If you have any questions, let us know in a comment of this video or of this post, and we can get back to you and explore more what are the futures of the waves and how we can improve it and make it better. Thank you.